Most Android users never change these hidden privacy settings. By default, your phone may collect usage data, app activity, and other information to improve services and personalize your experience. In this video, I'll show you 3 settings you should check if you want more privacy and less data sharing. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave a like. Let's dive in. Head to the main Settings app on your phone, then scroll down to Google and tap it. After that, tap All Services. Now scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. Tap Personalize using shared data. On my phone, there aren't many apps on this list, but you may have many more. This feature allows the apps on this list to monitor your activity on your phone. It can also drain your battery faster and slow your phone down. So I recommend disabling every app on this list. Turn it off and turn it off. Now let's move to the next feature. Tap the back button in the upper left corner. Still in the Privacy and Security section, tap Usage and Diagnostics. Here you'll see Usage and Diagnostics. This feature collects information about how you use your phone, which apps you use, and sends that information to Google. Just like the previous feature, it can slow down your phone and use more battery, so I recommend turning it off. Now let's move to the last setting. Go back to the main settings screen. Scroll down to Google and tap it. Tap All Services. Scroll down again to the Privacy and Security section. Now tap Ads. This feature collects information about you, including what you search for and other activity, to show you personalized ads. Have you ever noticed that after talking about something near your phone, you suddenly start seeing ads for it? Many people notice this kind of personalized advertising because this feature is enabled on their phone. Now, let's change it. First, scroll down a little and find Reset Advertising ID. Tap Reset Advertising ID to delete the information this feature has already collected about you. Then tap Confirm. Next, tap Delete Advertising ID. After that, confirm Delete Advertising ID one more time. When you're done, you should see Get New Advertising ID, just like I do. After changing these settings, your phone may run more smoothly, your battery may last longer, and you'll reduce the amount of data shared for advertising purposes. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.